Hello everyone, this is Joanna. Thanks for clicking on the link. I thought I'd do a little bit of a vlog because I'm sitting here and I wanted to film a little, stationery haul and stuff like that, but I didn't want to, because I don't have lots of things, I didn't want to dedicate a whole video, and I also wanted to make a potato and leek soup. So I thought I'd just vlog both, and yeah, if you haven't watched my channel before, I post about beauty, curvy fashion, and sometimes recipes. I have a few recipes here which are Greek, because I'm Greek, Australian. And I post about planning, and I do planner spread videos, but mostly it's makeup and lifestyle stuff. So yeah, keep on watching. I've got to teach now. I teach online. I've shared a video about that, I think, as well. And then I'm going to show you my stationery planner haul. It's a little haul. And I'm going to show you my recipe. So keep on watching. Okay, so let's do the little stationery haul. So I got some stickers for my planner. I got two. One's going to be part of a giveaway, which is going to be later on. So it's unicorn stickers from The Works in the UK. So you can see, really pretty. I'm really looking forward to using these. I think I'm going to make a planner spread with this very, very soon. So I got one for me, one for my subscribers. This is not part of the giveaway though, today. Although I will give something, but not this. And then I got this from The Works. And it is a writing set that comes in this little box. And you get these different types of writing, paper to write, and different envelopes, stickers, and a pen. I'll show you what it looks like on the inside as well. It's really nice, and it was £2. It was during the sales. So this is what it looks like on the inside. These stickers, really pretty set. And you can use the box later on as well. It's a really nice box, nice and sturdy. So I think these are sold at The Works. So if you really like stationery and you really like sending letters, you should check this out. Then I got this from Accessorize, which again I'm going to use for a planner spread. This was 70% off. Look, how pretty, how cute is that little kitten washi tape. I like it. I got a pen with a pencil. I think it's a pencil. A pencil with a sloth on it. So that looks cute. And I got a pen with this fur on it. These were from Primark. They were for sale or something. They were £1. So it's cute, nice little pen. And then I got this as a present because I like leopard print and stationery. And my friend sent me this. Really cute pens. Looking forward to using them. My friend also sent me this sticky note book, which has lots and lots of pretty sticky notes. They are, I don't know where they're from, but they were part of a birthday present. They are, well, they're from The Works. So again, UK, The Works. If you're looking for these sticky notes, check them out. Again, from The Works, during the sales, I don't know what these are. They're like pens, markers, which are scented. Let me just see how they smell. They were $3.50, but I got them for like £1. So let's see. Oh, they do smell. I'll just write on a piece of paper. Where am I going to find? Okay, I'll write here, the back of this. So this is what the writing looks like. It's like actually thin, and it smells when you're. I remember these when I was a kid. Do you remember the pens that you used to use, and they were scented? So it's got lots and lots of pens in here, markers, which I'm going to be using probably in my planner because it doesn't look like it transfers and it doesn't move. So that's good. And then my friend got me another gift from The Works, I think. I'm not sure. it's notes to self, a nice little notepad. And this is what I'm going to be giving away. One of the 2 pens. I got them from the works. They have little flowers on them. And I'll just give one away. Just leave a comment below. And I'm also going to give away this. So I'm going to give away 2 things. This was part of a giveaway a long, long time ago, but no one entered the giveaway. So I'm going to give this eraser away and this pen. I'm just going to send it as standard mail. Just make sure you are a subscriber and leave a comment below. Maybe leave your Instagram or your Twitter handle, or just make sure you check the notifications. This will go on for a week after the day I post this video. So it will probably be until the 1st of February. So just leave a comment below. Make sure you've subscribed to my channel. You are a subscriber. A flower fell on my head. Anyway, and yeah, these 2 are part of the giveaway. And let's move on. I got from Primark, again, during the sale, notebooks, 1, 2, 3, nice notebooks. They can be part of gifts and stocking fillers or whatever you want for Christmas and stuff. And then I also got these pretty pencils, which are 50p from the works. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to make my soup. Remember, if you want to enter the giveaway, these 2 things, it's going to be standard mail, open internationally. I don't care where I send it, but yeah. Just make sure you have subscribed and you've left a comment. And now let's move on to cooking, because I need to have my soup. So I'm going to improvise. I've got leek and potato mix from Tesco's and some celery. So I'm going to chop this up, put it in a pan and just stir it for a bit and let it fry, and then I'm going to boil my soup. So let's see. So I put a little bit of oil at the bottom of the pot. I'm going to let it just get a bit hot, and then I'm going to put all the vegetables in, and I'm going to show you what else I put in. So this is how much celery I put in, and the Tesco bag has a lot of leek and potatoes. So I'm going to chuck that in as well. So I put in some oregano, some pepper, an allspice blend, some garlic, and 1 stock. I'm not going to put any salt in it yet because I want to see how salty it becomes with the stock. I'm just going to let this simmer, and then I'm going to boil the water, and that's about it. So it's become a bit caramelized. Sorry about all the sound and all the steam. So yeah, I don't know if you can see and what you can see, but yeah. Okay, so I just added some water. I'm going to cover it. I'm going to let it boil for about 20 minutes, and then I'm going to eat. So that's what I ate, a lot of soup. I know it doesn't look like anything yummy, but it was delicious. So if you have never made leek and potato soup, make it. It's really nice. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to take part in the giveaway if you want to, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you. Bye.